Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REDBEAT E3 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to find the system. Then let's scroll and find reset options, and here the network options are divided into two categories, so mobile network settings and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So let me start with this one. Simply tap on it, be aware because you cannot undo this action, and tap on reset. And as you can see, we just successfully reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So we can do the same with mobile network settings. Simply tap on it, tap on reset settings. Of course, we'll have to confirm everything with our screen lock and again the information that we cannot undo this action. So let's tap on reset settings and we've got this information. So we just successfully accomplished resetting all network options. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.